Hello guys, in this video we will learn about losses in a transformer. Type of losses in transformer. The second type is core loss of the transformer. Core loss, sometimes we call iron loss. This is due to this core, iron core transformer. Okay. Let's say this is our transformer. This is the core of the transformer. Okay. Okay, there are two types of core losses. First is hysteresis loss. Hysteresis loss. Okay, this loss due to the magnetizing and demagnetizing. Okay, we know that the okay, for magnetic material here, the orientation is like this, That one is the magnetic molecule. The magnetic molecule. Okay. Okay, when the transformer is subjected to winding, so when current flow here to the coil, it will produce flux. For the flux here, this flux. Okay. The orientation of the magnetic material will be depend on the voltage source. So this one we call magnetizing and demagnetizing. It depends. When voltage increase, magnetizing, and voltage down, demagnetizing. So this will be produce losses. This magnetizing produce losses. It depend on the this losses is depend on the type. Depends upon type of material. Type of this material. Okay, these losses depend on the type of material due to magnetizing and demagnetizing. Okay. Okay, how to minimize it? So we can minimize it by using to minimize using a good magnetic material. Good magnetic material, for example, silicon steel. Okay. By using good material, by using silicon steel, the magnetizing and demagnetizing losses can be reduced. Okay, this is due to hysteresis loss. The second type of losses is eddy current. Eddy current loss. Okay. Okay, eddy current loss is due to dimension. This dimension. If we cut this one, this dimension, due to dimension of core. Okay. Okay, let's cut that core. We cut that core to like this. Okay, this core. This is a winding. For example, this winding. This winding. Winding, okay. For example, this winding, just assume this winding. Okay, for example, current go here using our right hand rule. So current here So we will produce the magnetic flux will be like this. Flux. Okay, flux. Okay, flux like that. Okay. Okay, this flux will produce eddy current by using right hand rule. This current, winding current, produce magnetic flux. Then the flow of magnetic flux also produce current. This based on the Faraday's law. Current produce magnetic flux. Magnetic flux also produce current. Okay, so magnetic flux like this, current will be like this. Okay, this we call eddy current. Okay, this eddy current due to dimension of the core. Okay, current produce flux. This is one is Faraday's law. Flux also produce current. Okay. Okay, this current, this eddy current, let's say I2. Okay, iron core they have their own resistance RC. So this this eddy current times RC core for the core resistance, it will produce losses here. Losses. This we call eddy current loss. Okay. The type of loss, our transformer will become heating up. The core of the transformer heating up. Okay. Heating up due to eddy current. So how to reduce it? How to reduce it? How to reduce it? Okay. Okay. This eddy current. Okay, look at the eddy current. So how to reduce it? We can split our core. So split a core like this. So when we split this core, eddy current will be reduced to half. So when the eddy current reduced to half, the losses also will reduce to half. So now we can reduce it more. So by actually this side we have to, when we split it, this side we have to laminate it to isolate it. So isolate these two, we call these two core must be isolated here. So if we want to reduce more, we have to split to more. Okay. Okay. We split into small thickness, and then each plate we have to laminate it to insulate each other. So we laminated all this into a few plates. So means that eddy current will be reduced. Definitely eddy current will be reduced because eddy current is independent on this dimension. So eddy current will be reduced by lamination or insulation. By we split into small thickness. Okay, so eddy current will be reduced. Okay, so when we reduce eddy current, and also we reduce hysteresis loss, so the losses of the transformer losses, we can reduce it. Okay, so the output will be increased due to loss is reduced, so the output will be increased. Okay, that's all for core loss of the transformer. Thank you.